A Scottsdale couple that lived a luxurious lifestyle at the expense of taxpayers will now spend several years in federal prison.
Jeffrey King and Alexandra Gehrke defrauded Medicare with a $1 billion scheme, billing for medically unnecessary wound grafts for elderly and terminally ill patients.
Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum was in court for King's sentencing today and joins us live.
And this is fraud on a massive scale happening over a 2-year span. The couple pled guilty earlier this year for conspiracy to commit healthcare fraud and wire fraud. Judge Rosalind Silver said it herself today in court, quote, "They were in it for greed." She sentenced King to 14 years in federal prison, and he must pay a restitution of $605 million. Now, here is a photo of Alexandra Gehrke posted to LinkedIn 2 years ago showing her and Jeffrey King at the Symposium on Advanced Wound Care. 39-year-old Gehrke owned Apex Medical LLC and incentivized medically untrained sales reps to find Medicare patients with wounds of any size or severity. 46-year-old King started as a sales rep at Apex, and according to the government, his wife orchestrated the scheme, but he played a major role. The couple ordered as many allografts as possible to be placed on the wounds of patients, receiving around $280 million in illegal kickbacks from the distributor of the product, or what's known as skin grafts. Through the companies owned and operated by Gehrke and King, they submitted $1.2 billion in false claims to health insurance plans. King's kids, family, and friends spoke on his behalf today in court, asking for mercy, talking about his military service and how he was a great dad who loved to DJ. King was visibly emotional in court, sobbing at times, and after the sentence was announced, he even looked at the prosecution, whispering why. The judge will recommend that he be housed at the federal prison in Safford. His family and attorneys did not want to give us any comment after court was adjourned. Now, King's wife Gehrke was sentenced earlier this week on Tuesday to 15.5 years in federal prison. She must pay nearly $615 million in restitution. The couple is also forfeiting $410 million in fraudulent funds, as well as assets that include very expensive properties, luxury cars, jewelry, and gold. I'm Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum.